Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS05. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HS05 isn't turning on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty power switch, a damaged cable, or an internal fault. If left unfixed, you may find that your device could suffer further damage, leading to costlier repairs down the line. To get started on the repair, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver, a replacement power switch, and possibly some electrical tape for securing connections. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step repair process. First, ensure the device is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove the screws on the back casing of the Dyson HS05. Be gentle, as over-tightening can strip the screws. Once the casing is off, you should be able to see the internal components clearly. The power switch is typically located near the top of the device. Carefully trace the wiring from the switch to its connection point on the circuit board. If you notice any frayed wires or burnt connections, this could be the culprit. To extract the power switch, gently disconnect any cables that may be in the way, ensuring you remember where they connect. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the switch is free, replace it with a new component, making sure to securely attach any wires back to their original points. Before you put the casing back on, double-check that everything is connected properly and that there are no loose parts. Gently replace the back casing and reinsert the screws, ensuring not to over-tighten them. Finally, plug the device back in and turn it on. If it powers up successfully, congratulations! Your Dyson HS05 is back in action. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that you regularly check the cables for any signs of wear and tear and avoid yanking the cord when unplugging. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.